Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So today we've got quite a fiery, mainly matte eyeshadow look, very winged out, and I've used for the first time the p.louise The Love Affair palette. So this is one of the smaller Love Tape range, which she's expanded quite a lot this year, well, within the past year. I've got every single one of them except Date Night, because I did declutter that because I didn't really like the colour story. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, very red, fiery, and just beautiful, and I love how this look has turned out. So if you want to hear some more of this palette, see some swatches, and see me create this look, then please stay tuned. So this palette, they retail for £17, but she does do them in sales and things like that. I think this one's still available because it's from her Black Friday range, and I'm pretty sure she's still got them. Yeah, so they are still available and they're only £17. So she says this one boasts a collection of rusty reds and subtle tones that help create a gorgeous glam. So it contains 8 shades, 7 mattes and 1 shimmer. That's not right, there's 2 shimmers, so that's wrong on the website. So yeah, so it actually features 6 mattes and 2 shimmers. Yeah, and these are all pressed pigments as well. So here I will include some swatcheroonies of this palette. Now let's go and get into the eye look. Right, so first things first, we're going to prime our eyes with the p.louise Base Shade 2. So I'm just going to pop a bit on the back of my hand, and then just use a p.louise 7072 brush, carve out my brow, and then plonk it all over my lid. And then use my cheap fluffy eBay brush and just blend it all in. So first shade we're going to go in with is Late Nights, so this dark aubergine kind of purpley shade. I'm just going to take that on my Morphe R43 brush. I'm just going to create that winged shape. And then I'm just going to take my p.louise 124 brush, which is just a very short blending brush with no product on, but I'm just going to blend it out a bit. And then with a p.louise 118 brush, I'm going to go in with Infidelity, so this shade here, and just pop that on top. And then we're also going to use the same brush and go into Karma, so that slightly lighter red shade. And then with another p.louise brush, this is a 121, so just a large fluffy brush, we're going to go into Just a Friend, so this shade here, which is like a peachy transitional shade, and we're going to use this to blend out, and also put it on the inner corner here. Now we've got our 3 brushes and our few shades, so we're just going to go back and forth with the light to dark, dark to light, and just make sure everything is all blended. So when we've got the blend that we want, so I'm pretty sure that'll be okay. Now we need to just work along the lid. So just using the same shades, I'm just going to go back into that dark shade first and just re-intensify this outer edge. And then we're going to go into Add Ultra, so this second to darkest. Pop that here, and also here. And then we're going to go into Infidelity, then Karma, and then Just a Friend. I'm just going to take the original p.louise brush and go into that Just a Friend, so the light shade. And then back into the dark shades. And I'm just going to take a bullet brush, so this is just a PC07, and I'm going to go into Excuses, so this light gold shimmer shade, and put that in my inner corner. It's a really pretty shade. I'm also going to pop that onto my brow bone as well. And I'm just going to take my Morphe brush and go into Unfaithful, so the red shimmer shade here, and I'm just going to pop that on the inner part of my inner corner, lower lash line even. And then I'm going to go into the p.louise black paint, so this is in Feed Black. Just going to take a little bit on a liner brush, and I'm just going to line my lash line, my waterline even. I'm going to take that smudger brush again and just smudge a bit of Late Night. Okay, so next I'm just going to take a wipe and I'm just going to clean up this edge. I think that's even. And then just to make this even more sharp, I'm just going to pop a bit more of the p.louise base on the back of my hand, just a wincy bit, and then use my 7027 brush, 7072 brush, and I'm just going to go along this line. And then just use my fluffy brush just to blend it in a bit. Okay, so that's basically eyes done. So I'm just going to do the rest of my face, pop on my lashes, and then I'll show you the final look. On my lips, I've actually used the Peaches and Cream Punchline Lip Liner. Topped for the first time the p.louise lip base in Classy. This is what it looks like there. It's quite a peachy nude. And then I just topped that with the Fenty lip gloss in Fantasy, which is like orange, but it's got like pink and gold reflex in it. It's actually really beautiful. So yeah, so that is the finished look. And also on my lashes, actually, I've got the p.louise lashes in Wink and Wispy, I think they are. Overall, I actually really like this palette. I think these palettes are very cohesive with each other because you've got quite a gradient of your transitional shades, your medium shades, and your dark shades. And then you've got obviously the choice of two completely different shimmers as well, which I think is really good. No complaints whatsoever. Absolutely love this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Stay safe. Thank you.